Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the GoPro head strap mount and additional the QuickClip. This is the GoPro official mount, of course. And the head strap is fully adjustable to fit all sizes. Head strap can be worn over a helmet or directly on your head in a headlamp-like position. QuickClip allows you to attach your GoPro to a backwards baseball cap or other 3mm to 10mm thick objects. QuickClip enable ultra-compact low-profile mounting. Its compatibility with Hero 6 Black, Hero 5 Black, Hero 5 Session, Hero Fashion, Hero 4 Black, Hero 4 Silver, Hero Plus LCD, Hero Plus, and, of course, the Hero itself. So, this matches all. Okay, let's have a look. What's inside the box? Open this nice box and have a look inside. And there it is. There are two things. One is the QuickClip. This is the QuickClip, and this QuickClip is compatible to all GoPro cameras, of course, and to your baseball cap. For example, we will use later in GoPro 6 Black. And this is a head strap with this long screw, as you can see. And this will mount your GoPro on the head strap or the QuickClip or other mounts, of course. Rotate it left turn out tight, and there it is. Let's begin to have a look how it works with the QuickClip. So let's dock now the GoPro on the hub by using the long screw. Now tighten the screw and you can adjust the frame with the GoPro inside, of course. So now it matches to the QuickClip, and the QuickClip you can wear to a backwards baseball cap or other 3mm to 10mm thick objects, of course. Now let's go to the head strap. The head strap is really cool, and this is fully adjustable to fit all sizes. So that means you have a big skull, it matches, and you have a tiny skull, it matches too, because it's flexible bands. You have one band in the vertical way, and one band will go up over your skull, of course. And it's adjustable on two spots. One is on the upper side, and one is, of course, on the left side. There's the adjustable part to make it a little better fix. So let's have a look how we have to mount the GoPro with the frame on it. As you can see, it's it's an easy way to fix it because there's a mount on the top. Now use the screw to mount the GoPro with this head strap. Easy going, and it's so easy to wear, easy to use, but it is nice, and you have the two hands of you free to work with this, to have fun with this, and the GoPro will make a movie by on the adjustable head strap, and it's easy to wear, easy to use, easy to adjust. Nice product, really good. Let's start for wearing this head strap. So this is the back side, and now you take the horizontal band and you put it over your head, and as you can see, it matches proper. And on the front side there is a plate too. This will make a better shape forming process, and as you can see, it stays at your body, at your head easily. Now you can adjust it a little bit up and down, and then you have to fix this by rotating the screw. Job's done, easy going. And if you have a small tiny head, you can adjust it a little bit smaller. Or you have a bigger head, you can give a little bit more bend, of course. So adjust it on the top side and on the right side, no, on the left side of the head strap. Then you can make it a little bit larger and smaller as you like. But it's so flexible, I think you do not have to use this often. So let's do a short look to the other thing. And the other thing is the QuickClip. There is a click. The QuickClip is easy to use. For example, I have a baseball cap here, and we are going to attach it there to have a better look for this. So there it is, and it's the cap has to be 3 millimeter to 10 millimeter thick for this object. Now you have to slide the QuickClip inside or through this backside of the base cap, and then you can adjust the GoPro with frame a little bit, and yeah, nice, cool baby. As you can see, easy to wear, and it's fast assembled. This is for fast and easy QuickClip movies with your base cap, of course. The same like before, use your hand and attach it by the long screw. And as you can see, it stays in position. Good and easy use. This is a little good QuickClip for quick videos and quick assembling. But I think the GoPro head strap mount is the main product of this. And here you can see I make some videos with this head strap, and it works easily and good, and wow, yeah, two-hand free mode, nice and easy. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon. Oh yeah, nice product.